2 loops, 2 voltage sources, but only one correct answer. Let's solve this using mesh analysis, step by step. First, define the mesh currents. Let I1 be the left loop current, clockwise. Let I2 be the right loop current, also clockwise. Now notice the middle resistor is shared by both loops, so the current through it is I1 minus I2. Now apply KVL to loop 1. Negative 12 plus 6, KH1 plus 6K into I1 minus I2 equals 0. Expanding this, negative 12 plus 6, KI1 plus 6KI1 minus 6KI2 equals 0. Combine like terms, negative 12 plus 12, KI1 minus 6KI2 equals 0. Divide everything by 6K. Negative 2 plus 2, I1 minus I2 equals 0. So we get equation 1. 2I1 minus I2 equals 2. Now let's move to loop 2. Negative 3 plus 3, KI2 plus 6K into I2 minus I1 equals 0. Expanding. Negative 3 plus 3, KI2 plus 6KI2 minus 6KI1 equals 0. Combine terms. Negative 3 plus 9, KI2 minus 6KI1 equals 0. Divide by 3K, negative 1 plus 3, I2 minus 2, I1 equals 0. So equation 2 becomes negative 2I1 plus 3I2 equals 1. Now solve both equations. From equation 1, I2 equals 2I1 minus 2. Substitute into equation 2. Negative 2, I1 plus 3 into 2, I1 minus 2 equals 1. That gives negative 2, I1 plus 6, I1 minus 6 equals 1. 4I1 equals 7. So I1 equals 1.75 milliamp. Now substitute back. I2 equals 2 times 1.75 minus 2. So I2 equals 1.5 milliamp. Final answers. I1 equals 1.75 milliamp. I2 equals 1.5 milliamp. If you got this before the final step, you're really good. Comment mesh if you want more clean breakdowns like this, and also like, share and follow. God's will, Elek.